good to go. Just flip the kickstand up. You have to push off, so when you push off, you'll feel it kind of kick in.
Oh, there it is! Oh, crap! Oh, God, how do you stop?
My God, you okay?
There you are. Are you ready to do this?
I think so. I think I'm finally ready.
Sweet. Today, we are supercharging this. We'll redo that. Didn't know if it was a Silverado or a Sierra. Today, we're supercharging this SCA Chevy Silverado Black Widow. This particular build is for a gentleman named Nick Pope from North Carolina. I've actually been following this truck through the entire production process from start to finish. This Pdlp episode is particularly special because we've done dyno videos before and we've done short time lapses of supercharger installs, but I've never actually filmed a complete supercharger install and dyno test from start to finish. So this should be pretty good. So how long does this entire process take from start to finish?
About a day and a half.
So
Take the time.
noon tomorrow probably.
Yeah, something about right.
Let's break open these boxes and see what we're working with here.
I mean, I might have already broke the seal on this one, but
I ain't scared.
Whipple does anything good, it's packaging. See if you can get that thing out.
Me?
Yes, I've already tried.
You making me use my hands again? Is it like vacuum sealed?
No, there's two pieces of foam and it's sandwiched in there. Normally you can just take the top one off and then pull it out.
Holy mother!
Just don't drop it.
Short people problem. All right, we both survived. All right, now I guess we need to tear the foam off.
Which way's up?
On there.
Oh, God.
Use your muscles, man. Come on. Finally.
Crack it like an egg.
Are we gonna have to put 2 sets of hands on it? All right, so as quickly as you possibly can, but still providing adequate information, give me a rundown of all the parts we're working with right here.
This is Whipple's. Look what you see what you done to me?
Hey man, you need to get your head in the game.
Trying.
He's all work, and I was gonna say no personality. You have a personality, but
somebody say I have to.
it takes people a little bit of getting used to, you know, to be in front of a video camera right now.
This is Whipple's supercharger kit for the 6.2 liter Silverado, Sierra, 2014 up. We've had a lot of success with these guys, so we'll give them a shout out, right?
Roll tap.
Wrong time. As you see, there's a lot of stuff going on here. This here head unit right here. You got all your hoses that plumb everything. You got your intercooler, coolant reservoir, because this thing has its own cooling system. It's all self-contained. And then of course you got all your brackets and pulleys. You got to change out your spark plugs, wiring, intake. That's basically it.
That's pretty good. Way to go, buddy. Don't leave me hanging. Give me some knuckles.
I'm sorry.
Okay. All right, let's get started.
That's the truth.
They definitely don't make it easy on you to get that one out of there, huh?
No, not at all.
Not too tough a task for a true professional though, right?
No, seasoned professional. First order of business is to take the supercharger apart. She's girthy. Do you know what we're missing?
What are we missing?
We're missing the 3-bar map sensor. Might have to go see Brian Ellis.
You want me to do it?
Sure. You want to take the scoop?
Is it powered?
Yeah.
I don't trust myself to ride that thing.
It's good to go. Just flip the kickstand up. You have to push off. So if you just push it, it's not going to go. So when you push off, you'll feel it kind of kick in.
Oh, there it is. Oh, crap. Oh, God, how do you stop?
My God. You okay?
All right, I'm just going to follow you. Papa Wheelie!
That's a surprise. He's not in.
You don't know where he keeps them?
No.
Back to the scooter!
Got that?
Yeah, every last word. Found what you needed?
Sure did.
Let me see what that looks like. I can't see it in a bag. Any day now, buddy. Bingo.
That's going to help us read boots. It's always important to lube your O-rings. They got spit everywhere.
All right, what's next?
Next, well, let's go to the instructions. How about that? Get the other side for me.
Yes, sir. Next step is factory intake disassembly. Anything else go along with the factory intake disassembly?
I think you gotta take these flappy things off the radiator.
Gotta take the flappy things off the radiator. All right, let's get to it.
Don't need that anymore.
Nice. Moment of truth. Oh, snap. Hey, my shoulders are getting tired.
Now, you've done just enough where if anybody comes out here, it's like a good thing.
Nice. So what's next after this?
The pre-assembly on the head unit, and then it can go on the truck.
But first, lunch. How do I beat you back every time?
How to go borrow some tools.
What'd you say next on the list was? We gotta rebuild the Whipple blower and then it goes in, right?
Yeah.
Sweet. Feeling pretty good about it so far?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I guess we should probably do that.
Yeah.
Give me that world-class smile. Can you see it fill up?
Yeah, well, there.
Oh, cool. Focus, man. There it is. And she's full. Look at that brute strength. I don't know why I'm taking this shot because the GoPro's already taken this shot.
So is that one.
I'm gonna stop taking this shot. Don't be worried about your hair, Tyler. I'll keep most of my shots focused on the work that you're doing instead of how good your hair looks.
It's not why I got a haircut.
All right, let me see what you look like. You feel confident about it? Only a face a mother could love right there.
That's gonna be a good shot.
Look at that, that's a beautiful shot. Tyler is currently torquing down the factory intake manifold lower before we put the Whipple Supercharger on top. He's doing a torque sequence of 8 pounds for each bolt first, and then 10 pounds after that to make sure that the tension around the entire manifold is even. The time has finally arrived for putting on the supercharger. If I'm supposed to help you with this thing, how am I supposed to video? You hadn't thought about that, have you? Don't tear anything up. All right, he's about to do it. 1, 2, 3.
We're gonna set this guy up here. Gently.
I liked it. I liked it. It looked good.
Bolts.
That's some perfect form you got there, buddy.
Yeah.
Foot's up and everything. Are you finally done with bolt torquing?
Yes.
What's next?
Some of the small connections, vacuum lines, eval.
So at this point, Tyler is done with the supercharger install. He is prepping the intercooler and some other bracketry so that that stuff can be installed tomorrow. In the morning, we're gonna pick it up right here. It's break time. Hey, you guys have the best break of your entire lives, okay? Get it! Get it! Woohoo! Hey, come over here and let somebody else have a turn.